Welcome back. Second innings now, St. Elizabeth Technical High are on top after the opening day of the Issa Spaulding Cup playoff being contested against St. Jago High at Melbourne Oval. Ryan Littleton, who retired hurt on 101, helped the defending champions pile up 438 for 6 so far in their first innings after winning the toss. Skipper Tyreek Bryan is the second highest scorer with 79 at the sharing in a 143-run partnership with Jamari Bryce, who added 66 as Steths went to lunch at, get this, 127 for 1. For St. Jago, Captain Vital Laws is the best bowler so far, taking 3 for 154, while 3 other bowlers took a wicket each.
Well, coming to Melbourne over the years, it's always a flat track here, so we wanted to win the toss and bat, and that's what we did. Yeah, very pleased, because I think this is the best part of the wicket, so we want to take full advantage of it.
And obviously bat first as well. Surface pretty flat, pretty good for batting, as you can see. So the toss was a crucial point in the game, and we lost the toss, so now we have to go back to the drawing board and adapt to what circumstances.
The match continues with day 2 on Thursday, starting at 10 a.m.